Thanks for taking the time to look through Innovative Brick Systems VersaLiner sample pack. We want to show you what makes our thin brick liners the best choice for embedding brick in concrete panels. Let's start with our edge lock design. It has undersized joints on two sides, so the connecting sheet overlaps and locks on more uniformly. That keeps all your joints consistent and makes the seams virtually disappear. Then there's our original compression joint. This mushroom-shaped joint grips each brick tightly so they don't move or float during casting, and it cuts down on slurry on the face of the brick. That means less cleanup. You'll also notice raised pads across each liner. They allow for smooth overlapping from one sheet to the next with no tipping of the bricks. That way you avoid any visible misalignment even under direct sunlight. VersaLiner returns are designed to create clean, crisp corner details. They come in both half and full brick sizes with sealed joints to prevent concrete leakage. For even more flexibility, our sliding soldier VersaLiner allows you to easily connect soldier courses to any size or pattern of field liner. This patented solution offers endless pattern options, all with one simple part. Inside your pack, you'll also find a sample of our edge strip. It's a clean, easy way to terminate brick coursing or add a drip edge, much simpler than a traditional wood reveal. These features and more are what make the VersaLiner family of products the industry standard. Innovative Brick Systems created the original single-use sheet brick liner nearly 30 years ago, and since then we've expanded the VersaLiner family to include hundreds of standard and custom patterns. We'd love to work with you on your next brick job.